Imagine stepping into a stadium that feels more like a futuristic masterpiece than just a place to watch sports. In 2026, 20 state-of-the-art venues are set to open around the world, redefining the way we experience sports. From advanced designs to eco-friendly innovations, these stadiums are game changers. The world of sports is always evolving, and in 2026, the spotlight will shine on 20 brand new stadiums that promise to elevate the experience for fans, players, and the environment. These stadiums are not confined to one region. They stretch across Europe, Africa, Asia, and North America, each representing the best in modern design and engineering. What sets these projects apart is their focus on more than just the game. From hosting major tournaments like the Africa Cup of Nations and the Mediterranean Games to becoming hubs for community engagement, these venues represent the future of sports infrastructure. Many of these stadiums also incorporate sustainability into their designs, ensuring they're as kind to the environment as they are exciting for spectators. Let's break down these impressive venues by region and see what makes each one special. In Europe, modernization takes center stage, with stadiums undergoing renovations or being built from the ground up to meet modern demands. Stadion Zagreb in Croatia is leading this transformation with a capacity of over 11,000. This revamped stadium will not only host national teams, but also European Cup matches. By upgrading to meet international standards, it's a pivotal addition to Croatia's sports infrastructure. Over in Moscow, Russia, the Streltsov Stadium, originally built in 1953, is being reimagined for the modern era. With an oval canopy designed to reduce noise and provide better spectator comfort, this stadium offers a perfect balance of history and innovation. Meanwhile, in Bulgaria, the Stadion Balgarska Armia is setting a benchmark for eco-friendly design. Located on the site of an older venue, it includes features like solar energy panels and rainwater harvesting systems. This stadium will be the pride of CSKA Sofia, with a rectangular football-focused layout. France is also seeing impressive upgrades. The Stade Armand-Cesari is undergoing a complete rebuild, adding modern stands, a restaurant, and even a museum. The new wind-protective facade ensures a comfortable experience for fans while maintaining its sleek appearance. In Italy, Stadio Erasmo Iacovone is preparing for the 2026 Mediterranean Games. With its distinctive red and blue seating and a capacity of 21,000, this venue showcases Italy's flair for blending style and functionality. France continues its transformation with the Stade de la Méno in Strasbourg. Instead of demolishing the entire structure, the project focuses on upgrades like solar panels and rainwater systems, making it a green choice for sports fans. And in England, Manchester City's Etihad Stadium is getting an expansion. The North Stand will be upgraded with additional seating and enhanced facilities, ensuring it remains one of the premier football destinations in the world. Africa's stadium projects for 2026 emphasize growth and preparation for major international events. In Uganda, the Hoima Stadium is gearing up for the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. As one of 3 key venues for the tournament, this stadium highlights East Africa's rising prominence in global sports. Tanzania's Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium is a multi-purpose venue designed for football, rugby, and athletics. With a capacity of 30,000 and an investment of over $110 million, it's a cornerstone for Tanzanian sports development. In Kenya, the Talanta Stadium is putting Nairobi on the map as a hub for football and rugby. Also tied to the Africa Cup of Nations, this venue is part of the country's broader plan to strengthen its sports infrastructure. Asia's contributions to the 2026 stadium lineup are a mix of innovative designs and cultural influences. Ashdod Stadium in Israel will be one of the most advanced in the region. Part of a larger sports complex, it replaces an old venue, with its land repurposed for housing and other community facilities. In Japan, Mizuho Park Athletics Stadium in Nagoya focuses on sustainability with its use of decorative wooden elements and a unique roof design. It's a blend of aesthetics and functionality that complements both athletics and football. China is making its mark with the Wuxi Olympic Sports Center Stadium, a part of a larger sports complex. Its saddle-shaped design and transparent roof showcase a commitment to sustainability while maintaining a bold architectural presence. In Kyrgyzstan, the Bishkek Arena is more than just a sports venue, it's a cultural landmark. Inspired by traditional Kyrgyz architecture, this stadium combines local heritage with cutting-edge sports facilities. It will feature VIP boxes, retail spaces, and community areas, making it a hub for both sports and social gatherings. Finally, Saudi Arabia's Aramco Stadium combines architectural elegance with practicality. Its spiral-inspired structure reflects the country's rich cultural history, while the design includes modern amenities to enhance the fan experience. Built to host the 2027 Asian Cup, it's equipped with world-class facilities and emphasizes the region's growing influence in global sports. In North America, the focus is on creating fan-centric stadiums for NFL and soccer enthusiasts. In Miami, Freedom Park will house a 25,000-seat stadium surrounded by parks, shops, and community spaces. This privately funded project is not just about sports, it's about creating a space for everyone, with over 13,000 jobs generated during construction. Chicago will see the transformation of New Ryan Field, designed for the Northwestern Wildcats. With steep stands and inspiration from the historic Chicago Stadium, it promises a memorable viewing experience. Buffalo Bills fans have much to look forward to with the new Highmark Stadium. With a 62,000-seat capacity, this venue blends local architectural styles with modern NFL standards, becoming a standout in Western New York. While many of these stadiums are new, some iconic venues are getting remarkable upgrades. The Spotify Camp Nou in Barcelona is set to become one of the world's largest football stadiums. With a capacity of over 105,000, it will feature a new third floor, expansive terraces, VIP sections, and roofing for all seats. The modernized design will ensure the stadium remains a beacon for football fans worldwide. These stadiums represent more than just bricks and mortar. They symbolize progress, innovation, and a commitment to enhancing the fan experience. From eco-friendly initiatives to designs that bring spectators closer to the action, each venue has something unique to offer. As we look ahead to 2026, these 20 stadiums remind us of the power of sports to connect people and push boundaries. Which of these stadiums are you most excited to see in action? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about these upcoming stadiums, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates on sports infrastructure and global venues. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more exciting sports content. See you next time.